Welcome to Ipsy, where it's $10 a month. Create your profile, and they give you a few items. Let's get started. The first thing they gave me is this card that says, "Go there, Ipsy, May 2018." And it says, "Hey Ipsier, we're writing to you from Cafe in Paris." And let's get started. The bag that they got today has a bunch of stamps on it. Looks like stamps of, like, when you get your passport, and it has all the different countries, and it's in a cream color with a little bit of pink on top. And then the bag is like this, and it's very salmon-y. Let's get started. The first thing that we got is, let's see, what do we have today? We got in the bag is some Veneffect. It is microexfoliating. And let's see. And then the next one I got was a pencil. And this pencil says Style Sephora. Style Sephora French Garden gel liner with diamond, and it's in this really cute green. And then they gave me two, and these are Pure Heals by Nature Village. One is Centrella 65 green tea pack calming, and the other one is green tea pack calming as well, 65. And then the last thing they gave me was this pencil that is by Shimmer Glam or something like that. Don't quote me. And it has little diamonds on the top, and it has an ombre-ish color like unicorny, and it says eyeshadow brush N15. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give it a smashing thumbs up, and I'll put the link below if you want to check it out and subscribe.